So I just picked up my Goodfair package. I'm excited to see what's inside. Got the Forever Alone bundle. Don't judge. So yeah, let's open. Ooh, what do I see? I got a sticker. So cute. And ooh, sweater. Herb Lumber Union. I like a lumberjack. I actually really like this color and it's super soft. Let's see. My long sleeve. Make a strive to end breast cancer. Just in time for a relay for life, you know. Ooh, 2012. Vintage. Just kidding. Anyway. A little wrinkled, but looks nice. And cozy. Next up, we have some sweatpants. Ooh, so soft. Wait, these are really soft. I love sweatpants. I could live in sweatpants. And a t-shirt. Okay. I'm not an Ohio State fan, but I like to look like I'm into sports. Another thrifting find, if you can tell. Oof. So cute. They also sent me a lollipop. I love you guys too. Another sticker. Thanks for watching.